suppose we wanted to print numbers in this order, like first 9, then 8, then 7 up to 1. So we can use a while loop, like while 0 is lesser than a, then print value of a. Okay, so we can apply the pre-decrement operator, and this is a we know pre-decrement operator. So what it will do, it will decrease the value of a by 1, so a will become 9 because initially a is 10, and we will return the value of a, latest value of a, which is 9 only. So we will decrement 10 by 1, so it will become 9, and latest value of a will be written, latest decreased value of a, which is 9 only. So 0 lesser than 9. First it will print some white space. Okay, let me print some white space. These are the white space, and it will print value of a 9. Again, since we are into the while loop, again we will go to this condition, and a has become 9. So we are doing minus minus of a. So a will become 8. 0 lesser than 8. So this condition is true. This is true. So we will have first white spaces. Here we have white space. Then 8 will be printed. Value of a 8. Then since we are into the while loop, again we will come here. We will come here minus minus of a, means 8 will become 7. 0 is lesser than 7. So we will print value 7. Okay, it will go like this. Suppose it has become 2 and we have printed 6, then we have printed 5, then we have printed 4, then we have printed 3. Okay, and now after this, after printing 3, we will go here and minus minus of 3 will become 2. Okay, it has become 2. 0 is lesser than 2. This condition is true. Okay, then we will have white space and 2 is printed. Okay, then since we are into the while loop, we will go to this condition again. Okay, and we will see 0 lesser than value of minus minus a. Okay, and minus minus of 2 will be 1. Okay, 0 is lesser than 1, it is true, then 1 is printed. Okay, again we will go to this condition. 0 is lesser than minus minus of a. Minus minus of a is nothing but 0. Minus minus of 1. Minus minus of 1. So we will decrement this value and it will become 0. 0 lesser than 0, it will become false. So we will come out this while loop and only these many values will be printed. 8, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, these many values will be printed. Let's run this program and see the output. See, these values will be printed. So we can remove the white spaces and let's again run this program and see the output. See, and suppose if we have a white space here, then also it won't matter. It will print 8, 9, 7, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, and we can have 2 times decrement operator. Suppose we have decrement operator 2 times a, then again 2 times decrement operator. So initially value of a will be 10, minus minus of a will become 0 is lesser than 8. So initially we will have white space, then 8 will be printed. It will become 0 lesser than 6. 6 will be printed. Okay, then we will have 0 lesser than 4 because we are decrementing value of 8 2 times because we have 2 times decrement operator. So 4 will be printed, then 0 lesser than 2. Okay, 2 will be printed, and now we will reach at this condition 0 lesser than minus minus of minus minus 2. This minus minus of 2 will become 1. So here it will become 1. Okay, and again we have this minus minus. So minus minus of 1 will become 0. 0 lesser than 0. So it will be false. So we will come out this while loop and these values will be printed 8642. Let's run this program and see the output. 8642. Okay. So we can remove this white space and we can put white space here also. Let's run this program and see the output. So this is not some kind of special operator. It may look like some kind of special operator, but it is not.